Hello there. So I hope everyone had a great day. So while on my way to get my mammogram, I stopped at the farmer's market and I picked up some organic produce, and I just want to share with you what I picked up. So I have red pepper, yellow pepper, purple, isn't that pretty? Purple pepper. I just bought one heirloom tomato. What else? Now I bought this cabbage. I can't remember the name of it, but if you can remember the name of it, leave it in the comment if you want to. This is all organic. The farmer's market is huge. But I walked around because I wanted organic. And I haven't had red potatoes in quite a while. So I'm going to clean these off, and I'm not going to peel it because I'm going to eat the skin. So I have red potatoes. I bought, oh God, this garlic smells so good. Fresh, organic, straight from the farm garlic. It definitely doesn't smell like this when I buy it from the supermarket. Oh my goodness. Garlic, I love garlic. Okay, what else? I just bought one organic corn on the cob. And string beans, or green beans, however you want to call it. Fresh, organic. And sauteed with some oil, some sesame seeds. Okay. And lastly, I really didn't know what to get, but I got some stuff. And lastly, 2 heads of fresh lettuce. So this is my haul. That's my haul, and I can't wait to enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care. And now on to cooking. And this is what I did with my purple turnip. I decided to soak it in water, and as you can see, it started to grow turnip leaves. I should have potted it, but instead I planted it outdoors. And the next day, it was gone, so it must have been eaten by either the birds or the rabbits. Thank you for watching. Next time I'll pot it.